Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a 4K video to your email on Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a video that we have exported in 4K. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go directly to Microsoft Outlook. Wait for that to load, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to New Email, top left corner, increase the size of the email window. Let's now select the recipient, which will be Rehan at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Choose a subject, 4K video. Let's now go directly into the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached 4K video as per your request. Now let's go to a new desktop, go all the way around to the dock, go to Finder, then go to my YouTube channel, locate the 4K folder. Here we have a video that's called This is a 4K Video. Highlight the video, go to a new desktop again, Command V to paste. Let's quit Finder, go back to the email, go to Insert, Attach File, Browser's Computer, go to the desktop, click on This is a 4K Video, click on Open. That should now have attached to the email. We can therefore end the video via kind regards, admin. Let's now click on send. And that email should have been sent to the recipient. Go to send items, 4K video, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached 4K video as per your request. Kind regards. Click on the video. And this video should then have opened up on screen, and we should see the video in 4K. We can also save to OneDrive, copy or download, but that's all for a tutorial in the future. Click on X, quit Google Chrome, and so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.